The Haylou GT3. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Haylou GT3 true wireless earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user guide, Type-C charging cable, and small, medium, large ear tips. The GT3 features 4 hours of listening time, 28 total with the case, Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, 7.2mm drivers, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX4 water resistant. The case has a compact capsule design. It has a matte finish all around and the branding is on the top of the lid. On the front of the case, you have the status LED light. In the back, you'll find the USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes smoothly. Earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case, and you have the ear markings etched in inside. Taking a look at the earbuds, it has a stem design. The inside face has a matte finish with the ear indicators on the stem. The outer face has a glossy finish with the surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, microphone, LED, and touch control. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps for playback and call options. The case comes in at 2.8 by 1.4 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 33 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 7 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
One sentence is too much for your tangled mind. Don't know what's worse, the waiting or the frustration. It's hard to care about you. Isn't it enough already? All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, I can't lie. On my mind, I can't lie. Pull you down till you dry. Pull you down till you dry. All the time, ease my mind. All the time, ease my mind. I know that you're dangerous, I'm addicted to you. I might rent the Lambo and go drive it like it's stolen. I've been living wild, I'm just going through the motions. Stumbling out the Uber.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Haylou GT3 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant. And when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the GT3. They were comfortable and it seated well in my ears. I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. Touch controls are a plus since they don't add additional pressure when navigating. Build and quality is good. Simple case design along with the earbuds. They both feel durable. I like the glossy outer face, and the touch controls responded well and were not overly sensitive. Battery life is a bit underwhelming at 4 hours and 28 total with the case. I would have liked to seen a better IPX rating. Now when it comes to sound, the bass has its presence. Not overwhelming bass, but just the right amount of punch. It is slightly less than the GT5s that I've reviewed. Mids and highs come in clean and clear. Vocals and instruments do stand out. I found it to be a balanced listening experience. Overall, the GT3 are a good pair of earbuds. The price point is budget friendly and the sounds are balanced. So that is my review of the Haylou GT3 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.